I have been waiting about 2 weeks for this package, and I wanted to open it with you guys. This is the Magegee Light 100 Creamy Keyboard, if I said that right. If not, I apologize. That little paper there with the girl on it, nobody tells you in any of the videos that it shows you how to set the colors on the keyboard, amongst a few other things that it shows you that you can do as well. There's some extra pieces with the little clamps, your cord, the 2 little clips on the back, which is always good to have. And then there is the little piece that you need to plug into your computer. Look at this. This is adorable. So enjoy the sound. I absolutely love the fact that all of the lettering and numbers on the keyboard is actually on the side of the buttons and not on top. It makes it look really cool. So that little sheet with the girl on it, I was using it. These are different settings, light settings that you can actually set up on your keyboard. And there's a whole bunch of different settings. So I'll run through them to show you the different settings for the lights on the keyboard. I'm super impressed with how many different settings you can put the lights on when you use this keyboard. If you are looking for a new keyboard and want something that is cute and sounds good and sits at a perfect height, this keyboard is definitely worth the purchase. I highly suggest it.